OSDC PDF conversion and output merge. Our bat script uses the sbcmd command and the PDF API to merge the outputs. Our first Word doc, Word A. Our second Word doc, B. Our third, C. Our fourth, D. And our fifth file, an Excel sheet, E. All of these files will be converted to PDF and then merged. Looking at our output file titled merge.pdf, you can see all of our files are included. Let's take a look at the bat script. So we set the folder location, and we find all the files in the folder and perform the SBC command to convert to PDF. Then we need to build a merge command. All the PDF files in the folder are labeled as input files and included into the merge command. After the merge command is built, the PDF API merges them all, and then the unnecessary PDF files are cleaned up, leaving only one PDF file in the folder.